Whistling on my pillow. Keep me safe, oh, you're my halo.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but your girl is back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Amazon wig find, and the brand is called Noble Star, and I believe there is no reviews anywhere on YouTube, so I'm gonna be the first. This is a teapot lace wig in the color 1B. It is in the texture Yaki straight and in the length 26 inches. If I left anything out, all the hair deets will be left on screen. This is what the hair looks like originally straight out of the box, with my phone camera and no flash. Now I'm going to show you what the hair looks like with the flash on, so you can see the real texture. Before we get into it, I'm just going to show you how the hair looks on me, how it drops, how it flows. And for it to be a synthetic unit, it is given very much human. I must have you guys the watch time, don't worry, I got you. So off camera, I tinted the lace with my foundation that I use for my face. Always use a tint or some sort of foundation to match your skin tone. And by doing this, that's what gives your installs the ultimate melt. I'm also going to add the leftover foundation on the brush to the cap, because you can see that the cap is lighter than my skin. I love these claw clips, saves me so much time looking around the place for hair clips and hair bands. It really does help when it comes to your installs. Things first, when cutting off your lace, cut off the air tabs please on both sides, then go ahead and cut off the remaining lace in a zigzag motion. Again, y'all, saving you time, so off camera I went in and cut off the other side. Yeah. In today's video, we're going to be installing this unit glueless. When I mean glueless, I mean we're only going to be using a holding adhesive to lay it down, and we are not going to be using any glue. Then I'm going to go in with my air dryer on the cool setting to set everything in place. To define my part, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut to match my scalp, and then I'm going to go in and blend it in. Please make sure you don't miss out this step, because it is crucial to make it look like an actual scalp part. Let's move on to the styling. So I'm just going to go through the hair 2 or 3 times with the straightener. I'm not trying to get that silky look. I'm just trying to get it like a more so like a silk press kind of look, because I'm not trying to lose that Yaki texture. So for the style that I'm going for, it's kind of like a half up, half down. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen it all over social media because it's been flooded with it. It's a style where it may look like you've put in so much effort, but in reality it's only taking you 5 minutes or less. And to me, I don't know about y'all, but this gives off very classy vibes, very cutesy, very demure. And lastly, I'm gonna get my handy dandy claw clip and place it at the back, and that's literally all I did for this style. I was actually on my way out and this hairstyle did not hold me up. And this is the perfect style if you're in a rush or you're going to go run some errands. This is it. But you guys, this video is coming to an end, and I'm going to let you in on my thoughts about this unit. I love the texture of this unit. It's giving human hair dupe. I love the length of it. It's not too long. It's just the perfect length for this kind of season. I also like how you don't have to be putting in too much time, and that it is a wear and go wig. I love that it's lightweight and it takes the heat very well, and it's also got a natural sheen. But what I love most about this wig is that it is under 50 and it's giving way more than that. That's my thoughts on this unit, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
When you're done, I be lifting you up.